Hello, my name is Beth Dixon, and this is a very quick example on box plots. Thanks to Vicki Borlaug for the use of her PowerPoint to make this video. Please note in the example that follows that we will not be checking for outliers. Please check my other video series on box plot for instructions that include the discussion on outliers. In our example, we have the weight in pounds of grain sacks. The problem is broken down into two separate parts. Part A asks us to find the 5-number summary, consisting of the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and the maximum. Part B asks us to construct the box plot. To find the 5-number summary, we begin by using our calculators and inputting our data into List 1. Press Stat, then choose Edit, and Edit under the Edit menu. Type in your numbers and press Enter after each one. Enter all the numbers into List 1 into one list. Next, we need to do one var stat. By pressing Stat, then using the right arrow to move over to Calc, and choosing one var stats by pressing Enter or 1. Type second L1, which is above the 1 key, and then the screen on your calculator should now look like this. Press Enter. The summary statistics for your list should appear and look like this screen. Notice the down arrow. Scroll down using the down arrow on your calculator so that you can see the last 5 numbers which make up the 5-number summary. These are the answers that we need to define our 5 numbers. The minimum is 35.1, first quartile 39.4, the median 41.9, the third quartile 45.15, and the maximum 49. Part B asks us to construct a box plot. Mrs. Borlaug has kindly drawn a scale for us to use. If you are making a box plot on your own, you will need to make your own scale. Our minimum is 35.1 and our max is 49. So a scale that goes from 30 to 60 works great. And Mrs. Borlaug counted by 2s to make our numbering easier. We could have counted by other numbers like 3s or 1s or 5s. But in this case, 2 works fine. Here is the 5-number summary that we will need to use to construct our box plot. Each number will be marked as a line, and that line is above the scale so we do not get it confused with the number line itself, and the line is located above where the number falls on the number line. Here we have marked the minimum of 35.1. The first quartile of 39.4, the median of 41.9, the third quartile of 45.15, and the max of 49. Next, we need to make the lines into the box and whiskers. Draw the box first around the inner markings. Remember, this is 50% of your data. Then draw your whiskers, left, then right. This completes our example. Next, there are 2 exercises for you to try. Pause the video as you need. Thank you for watching, and additional help can be found by coming by the Math Lab in MBS 222.